Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Baldur's Gate 3 for beginners on PlayStation 5. First, you'll dive into character creation. You can choose from 11 distinct races and 12 unique classes, each offering different playstyles. Take your time customizing your hero's appearance and background, as these choices will shape your journey. You can either select a pre-made origin character with a rich backstory or craft your very own custom adventurer, known as a TAV. This initial step is crucial for setting the stage for your epic adventure. Next, you'll master the game's engaging turn-based combat. Each character has actions, bonus actions, and movement, so plan your turns carefully. Use the environment to your advantage. Pushing enemies off ledges or igniting oil barrels can turn the tide of battle. Exploration is key. The world is rich with secrets, hidden paths, and countless side quests. Always keep an eye on your party's health, spell slots, and inventory to ensure you're prepared for any challenge that awaits. As you journey, you'll encounter and recruit a diverse cast of companions, each with their own compelling stories and unique abilities. Your choices throughout the game hold significant weight, directly impacting the narrative and your relationships with these characters. Every dialogue option you select helps shape your character's reputation and the world around you. Understanding the consequences of your actions is vital, as they can lead to vastly different outcomes and experiences. Finally, here are some essential tips for new players. First, save your game often, especially before making big decisions or entering challenging battles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spells, abilities, and party compositions to find what works best for your playstyle. Always take the time to read item descriptions and character sheets thoroughly. Remember, it's perfectly fine to restart if you feel you've made a mistake or want to try a completely new approach. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.